Greetings to you all. I'm here to present for you how to use mail merging when you're writing a letter, let me say an invitation letter or a wedding letter. And there are so many letters. So for this matter, you're supposed to be having a letter of which you can type. If you have the speed, yes, you can type. But typing is also tiresome. You know, we are in this .com world. So you can also use the ChatGPT to generate for you a letter, a nice one. You can just instruct anything that you want to appear in the letter. You can just instruct the ChatGPT to write for you and include all the contents that you want. After that, you copy and you paste it in the Microsoft Word. From there, you can now make the changes, you edit the letter and proceed with the mailings. So let me start with mine. Search for my work in the Word. This is where I've saved my work. This as an introduction letter. Of course, I'm supposed to make some changes to edit the letter after exporting it, after pasting it here. So the last name I can choose to put Okelo. Put it in capital O. Then for Miriam, I can put Lamar. Place of residence. Put in Manyama. In Gulu City. But for this case, to save matter, of course you can include this contact if you wish. But for my case, I'm going to delete this and I will not put the contact. This is where I'm going to apply mail merging. So in this space, I'm going to put the address, address, then comma, let me just put this curly bracket. I'm supposed to have 4 of them, 1, 2, 3. Then the last one has 4. This is where I'm going to apply my mail merge. I will use the mail merge to enter the information. Try to be fast. Just actually delete this thing. these places I've put it up so far. So I'm deleting this. Since I didn't put the contact up, I'm going to put the contact down here. So for Miriam, I have 077889994. How many? Three, remaining one. Then for James, you can choose to type in 8641. Is it 1043? It's more than 10, so I remove that. Yes, I think I'm done with editing. Yeah, but let me first pick this straight line. You can come to ignore or to remove it. Ignore. As well. So let me start on mail match. Where so I come and open my mailings. Oh my god.
For what? This is serious.
So you come and open your mailings. Still loading. Yes, you come to step by step. Let me try to be fast. Letters, then you come to document, recipient, then you come to type new list and you create your own list. So in my list I have only 4, so I'm supposed to make some editing. For the title, I'm going to rename it as my address. Put it in caps. Try to be fast. And I have it. First name, yes, this one they're correct. Then I come to company name. I'm going to rename it as my, is it contact? Yeah, maybe contact 380 contact. Then I come and click on OK. All this one I'm going to delete them, they are useless to this. Try to be patient as I delete all this. Of course I don't want them to appear, so I'm supposed to delete them all. Size, then the last one is email. Before I forget, you can also use this one to add new, like any field if you want to add the fields. So me, I have only 4. Come and click on OK. So I come and write the names. Try to be fast. I have a dog. Let me start with my name. No, this one is the address. So I'm putting Miss, Mrs. Ado G, then last name as Kevin Joyce. Then contact I have 077576434. Come and click on new entry. Come and put Mr. Let me put Odo.
I'm just here to come first.
Andrew. number 07710 63592. New entry. Then I come to Mr. Oyugi Alfred. So the number 077431849 1. Then I come and click on OK. So let me save the name. I'm going to save it as Kevin. I'm going to save it on this. Yes, then I come and save. As you can see, the list is okay. I come and click on OK. After this, when you have generated the list, you have everything. So you come to, this is it. Of course, you check you have the letter. Then you use an existing list. This is the list I'm going to use. Come and click on the list, then I click on open. Then after I come to edit, there's nothing to edit except this. Also this one there 10, so I think there's nothing to change. So I come to insert. I insert the address. No, the icon is not supposed to be here. So I'm supposed to put it here instead. Then I come to insert. I insert the address. Yes. Then I come to first name to appear there. Last name. Then the last one is the contact. There we go. Then I come to finish. Edit individual document. Then you come to all, apply. As you can see, that is the first name, the contact, remove these brackets. Right click to ignore. So that is the first name. I have, that is the first name. You want to click on and check the next one, you can check from this bar. This one, of course, the first one. After finishing, you can use to check for the second one. As you can see, it's stopping in 3 just because I have only 3 names. So as simple as that. That is the brief step. I can show you how to match a letter when you want to send like to many people. So I can just say, if you want to start mail merging for the first time, or if you're doing it for the first time, you can follow my video so that you don't get lost. I assure you everything is just there. It's just a matter of following it. Thank you. See you next time.